Hello, my name is Juan Camilo Rivera, and today I'm going to explain the module for exploratory data analysis. And this module is part of the cycle of presentations organized by the Alliance of Biodiversity SIA, the Illinois University CIMID, and CCAPS. So, to begin, we are going to analyze in what part we can find data exploration. So as you can see, it is found in step number 4 after data cleaning and data mining. And it's before applying the data mining models. It's a fundamental step in any project for data mining. And what we want to do with this is to have a global analysis of the different variables that we are going to study. So the natural question to ask yourself is, what are we looking for? So what this exploratory analysis wants to do is to know the detail of the data structure and wants to answer 3 questions. The first one is, what are the most characteristic values of the variable? To what extent are these values representative? And finally, what is their distribution? So these are the 3 questions that we have to answer after carrying out a data analysis. In other words, we are seeing what's the global behavior of the data, and this will help us to look for the best possible method to do the analysis. In exploratory data analysis, there are basic terms that are important to take into account whenever analyzing anything. The first one is a summary, is the measure of centrality or location of the data. It's the most representative value of the variable. Dispersion. The objective of dispersion is to seek to answer the question to what extent the central values are representative. And finally, it shapes. This is the variable, the distribution of the variable around the central values. So these are 3 basic terms that we are going to use throughout the whole module and that we are going to use in the R software. And we're going to apply this with a data set that we already have. And now to see this globally, we have many different ways to have the data. And as you can see in the slide, there are qualitative, quantitative variables. We have centrality measures. Among them, we have the mode, the median. We have dispersion measures. That's the ratio of the variation, quartiles, percentiles, interquartile ranges. And with these measures, we also have associated graphics. We have the bar chart, pie charts, box plot. And on the other hand, we also have the quantitative variables. We have interval scales and centralities like mode, medium, mean, and dispersion, which are the ranges, quartiles, percentiles, the interquartile range that's also included in the last slide where we saw the measure for the qualitative variable. We have the typical or standard deviation, variance, and the coefficient of variation. And among the most representative graphics, we have the histogram, box plot, stamp, and leaf charts. So in this part, you have to know the different tools that are available in terms of graphics, dispersion, and centrality. So we are going to analyze how to use R and to generate graphics with each one of these methods, and to know the different possible functions in order to calculate the different centrality measures and dispersion measures. So in the next videos, we are going to dive into these activities. Thank you.